People read Ramana Maharishi book and say I am awareness, मैं शुद्ध चेतना हूँ. Are you living life that way? You have 1,000 identities, 1,000 false identities you make in your mind. I am father, I am mother, I am Indian, I am American, I am Pakistani, I am black, I am white, I am Chinese, all false identities. And that's the reason for the conflict in the world. All your identities are false. Whatever you read, you have to apply. You aware, Jad Chetan? That's not aware. How you know you're aware? You can ask questions. Who am I? Why I'm here? What I'm doing? So यहाँ पे हो अभी इस टाइम पे जो हो, if you thief, accept it. अगर तुम चोर हो तो you have to accept it. But ego don't want you to change. Ego माने I tendency. और ये I tendency दुनिया में पूरी प्रॉब्लम की जड़ है. Dog fight for area, lion fight for area. What Russia and Ukraine doing? What Israel and Palestine doing? Same thing. तो यही कन्फ्लिक्ट का कारण है द्वैत, डुअलिटी. एक नूर ते सब जग उपजया. तुमने अपनी you make million false identities. Every second thought change. So you're not your thought even. How you know animals aware what they very less aware? They can't think about death. They can't ask questions. You can ask questions. और ये जो आइडेंटिटीज़ हैं ये पूरी गलत हैं. ये कहाँ से आ रही हैं? इट कमिंग फ्रॉम कंडीशनिंग. It's not in your hands where you born. Your gender not in your hands. It depends on geography. You in India, you born maybe Hindu. You born in Pakistan, Muslim. You born in Iran, maybe you Shia. You born in Saudi Arabia, maybe you Sunni. And you make all those false identities because you born in certain area on earth. पर तुम ह्यूमन बीइंग हो, you're not animal, you're not a robot, you're not a machine. You can decide what's right, what's wrong. पर you make false identities and try to defend that false identities and read about great people and don't apply those things in life. That's why we suffer. We always live in conflict. We came from jungle. We have body of animal. DNA same. Gorilla and me same DNA. 0.1% difference. So we are animals. We are evolution ने हमें तैयार किया कि हम जंगल में रहना है. But we not in jungle anymore. We came out of jungle. We want something beyond. हमें कुछ आगे का चाहिए. इसका प्रमाण क्या है? We animal don't want Netflix. Animal don't use phone. They happy in the natural cycle. But you want something beyond. और वो beyond मिल नहीं रहा. You try in a lady that you get peace. You try in money. You try in job. तुमने चारों तरफ ट्राई किया वो, पर मिल नहीं रहा वो. ये तभी मिलेगा जब जो तुमने 1000 फॉल्स आइडेंटिटीज़ बना रखी हैं वो ख़त्म हो गई, जिसको ईगो बोलते हैं. तू करता तू हुआ. बाय सेइंग यू आई बिकम यू. तो ईगो का ख़त्म होना ही सारे संतों का, वेदर इस गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब, उपनिषद, गीता, तो यही सार है. ईगो का ख़त्म होना ही सफरिंग का एंड है. बुद्ध, धम्मपद, लाओजू, ताओ ते चिंग, काफका बोलता है लाइफ इज़ अ कॉस्ट्यूम पार्टी, आई केम विद माई रियल फेस. रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, डिफ़िकल्ट टू बी सिंपल टू बी हैप्पी. तो ये बात है. ऑल नो ड्रॉप मर्ज्ड इनटू द ओशन, नोबडी नोज ओशन मर्ज्ड इनटू द ड्रॉप. तो पूरी बात ईगो पे हो रही है. डिड यू अप्लाई? डिड यू लिव लाइफ दैट वे? और यू जस्ट डूइंग ड्रामा? If you're doing drama, that's why you're suffering. Because you're not an animal. You're conscious. Animal don't do rape. बलात्कार सिर्फ इंसानों में होते हैं. Animal don't fuck up the earth. Same place you shitting, same place you live. तो पूरा गंद इंसानों ने डाला है ना. We consume everything. We kill 70% of species. If human law apply in totality, nature would kill us like 30 years ago. What we did. Every day, one species die because of us. Species, not one animal. Whole species finish because of us, and we are just one species. If you apply the human law like American law, if nature is the judge, we gone by 1980. We finish. Who care? Earthquake comes, nature don't care. You president or a cockroach, kill you. So that's what's going on. Drought in Pakistan, Venezuela, all things happening because of you, because of humans, because of conflict, because of fight tendency, because of ego, because of ahankar. Chalo.